here with our new Losi Tenacity. We're going to unbox it here.
So we had bought 2 of these and we had problems with them. So the dealer gave us 2 back. So we just got back. Preston's got his unboxed. He's got the box body. Yeah, we had a hard time with them there. They burn up the motor, so hopefully we have a...
This is what you get in the box. You get all your tools up here, and you get some decals.
So there's the decal.
And this is your radio in here. And there's your batteries. And then here's your radio. And it's packaged nice in a nice bubble wrap. And you have all your trims and stuff up here.
You can see the trims, alright.
And then the main thing.
Watch yourself.
These are kind of hard to get off.
Yeah, let Dad.
Okay, we're gonna open her up. There it is.
Alright, there it is. Method, he got the Method body. And again, here's the controller. It takes 4 AA batteries, which came with it. As you can see, it's got the trim for the speed. So hopefully these ones hold up better than the last ones we got.
Yes.
There's the inside of
And
it.
I get all my new stuff in there and not all dirty.
Alright, anything else?
Nope.